Hey everyone, this is a really spontaneous live stream. I'm out on my run and I'm feeling inspired to share something. It just kind of clicked for me in a way that hopefully I can explain it, because I didn't understand manifestation for a long time and how it worked. I felt skeptical about it, and I'm just getting more and more how powerful it is, and that's the way I choose to create, to realize my vision, to reach my vision, and to reach my goals. So the way manifestation works, hey Zeti, is the difference between reaching your goals in a strategic way, and I'm not opposed to that at all. I think it both works. Aligned action will help you reach your goal. But here's how manifestation works, very simply. It means you are not waiting for the condition to be there in order to feel the emotion of whatever that goal will bring you. So, for example, if you have a goal of earning $10,000 a month in your business, for example, so instead of being in that state of, oh God, it's not there yet, and I have to, how to, this is how I have to do it, which is constricted, you're choosing the vibration of, this feels so good, I feel so abundant, and this is awesome, and how can I create more, how can I give more, and feeling upbeat. You're getting into the emotion, you're thinking about how would it feel if I was there already. So that's the power of manifestation, is choosing the state first, not waiting for the condition to show up. You're choosing the emotion, and from that emotion you are a vibrational match to whatever it is that you are, whatever your goal is. Vibrational match, that means you're in that state. And it makes perfectly logical sense, right? Because if, for example, I don't know, I'm thinking my son had a test this morning, and, part of that doing well on a test is feeling, I've got this, I'm really, I'm going to be confident for the answers, I'm going to feel relaxed. And so if you thought you were going to really score high on the test, you're going to already be in that emotional state of excitement, gratitude, confidence, right? So you're choosing that state first before the condition, before the result shows up. It's really, really powerful. That's manifestation. So just when I was out for my run, it came to me, and I thought, I'm just going to go on live and share that, because I think it's really important. Manifestation is so powerful. We're all manifestors. We're all manifesting. Everything that's showing up in our lives is as a result of what state we're in. You get what you believe, right? If you believe, life is hard and I can't trust people and nobody supports me, of course, if you're in that state, that's the result you'll get, right? But if you're choosing to believe life is supporting me, people are supporting me, I'm looking around for all evidence of that showing up in my life, and I'm feeling grateful for it, of course that's what I'll get, because I'm more open. So it makes really logical sense. But I think a lot of people are confused about what manifestation is. So hopefully that makes it a little bit clearer. Also, when you're in that state of feeling good, which is a really important part of manifesting whatever your goal is, feeling good. And from that place of feeling good, you receive inspiration, you receive ideas, so act on them, act in alignment. That's exactly what happened to me right now, being out for a run, feeling good, feeling inspired to share. So, and of course, that is part of aligned action for me to reach my goal. My goal is to work with awesome clients who have really big visions that they want to achieve. So on that note, if you want to work with me, I've just shared my new Totally Transformed program that I'm really excited about. So go read it. And if you are wanting to create some massive, exciting transformation in your life and use manifesting, I work massively with manifesting, then get in touch with me. And let's make change happen, positive change, and create an awesome life. Have an awesome afternoon, everybody. I'm actually going live again at 2 p.m. talking about using BeLive, the app called BeLive, talking about how, if your life isn't going well, how to use that to as a catalyst to move you forward. So I'd love to have you on live for that again. Thanks. Bye.